talk a little bit about contracts, because contracts is really a big part of our business. In fact, I would say it's the biggest part of our business. In fact, right when you start, you do a contract with you and your broker. Then hopefully you get a listing agreement right away, and then you get a purchase agreement. And I mean, our business is nothing but contracts. So let's understand just a little bit of contracts. So let's talk about the 4 elements of contract formation. The 4 elements of contract formation. First requirement for contract formation is that we have legal capacity. We need to be over 18, that we have, or 18 or older, legal capacity. Now, there are some exceptions to underage people being allowed to enter into contracts. Like you hear about this all the time where, you know, the Disney kid or the Hollywood actor says, my dad's burning all my money on cocaine and hookers. And like, I need to go to court so that I'm allowed to contract as an adult. When that happens, we say that minor is emancipated. Emancipated. So that minor would be okay to get into a contract because the court has determined them that they're an emancipated minor. But just being over 18 is not enough. We need to actually agree on something. This is the proverbial meeting of the minds. So the second element of contract formation is we need to agree to something. We need to have a meeting of the minds. We need to have a meeting of the minds, which we may also refer to as mutual consent. The third element of contract formation is whatever we're agreeing to must be for a legal purpose. Like, you can't hire me to kill your husband so you get life insurance. And then when I don't do it, you sue me. Like, no, that we contracted for something illegal, so no. So whatever we do must be for a lawful purpose. Whatever you do must be for a lawful purpose. And then finally, there must be an exchange of sufficient consideration. So there must be an exchange of sufficient consideration. Now, we consider consideration as anything of value to the parties. It may not be valuable to you and me, but maybe this guy's like a rock collector and this is the last volcanic rock he needs and he thinks it's worth $1 million. So anything of value to the parties. It's not always money. Could be love, right? However that's worth, you know. Anything of value to the parties.